I'm Jevin Diksha Saxena, Assistant Professor of Journalism Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In the last video, we have learned court reporting and what is health reporting. Today, we will continue that topic and continue this topic reporting. So today we will learn civic reporting and there is so many topics. So let's begin. Civic reporting is newspapers have traditionally been the most community oriented of mass media. Newspapers have been given a good deal of credit for building a democratic newspaper democratic community life cities and towns. These days, however, the media and their audience have been the tough through been so fra- fragmented fragmented that the newspaper seems on the verge becoming just another specialized commercial product for uh, niche for market. Together, the people of the journalists work on the effort to fight attempts to weaken of weaken the justice system, to protect the rights of all the rights of trial by jury, and to force government and business to make health and safety to top priority. Public citizens very interested to report the news reporters for information in the variety of cases, product liability, medical casing involving children, casing in case involving drugs, medical devices for women, cases where uh, damage were awarded, and cases where were defendant withheld document or engaged in types of abuse and misconduct, and cases where discovery document of testimony revealed a company decision in a risk of foreseeable injuries or deaths in order to save money or increase profits. Reports around the country are increasingly turning to civic journalists to find better stories and report them in a way the reestablish and bond with the readers, viewers, and listeners. They do so tackle tough issues, discover new local stories, interact with readers and viewers in new way. Use the web to improve our reporting. Mostly two of three junior reporters supervised by a senior one is appointed to cover local news, administration problems, and important judgment of district courts. A senior reporter assigned the coverage among the junior reporters who actually go into the field and bring news of local interest. There may be maybe a fire or thief, an important crime to report like murder or uh, dacoity, dacoity, murder or something. Then there may be court proceeding of a sensational nature wherein important crime cases are heard and adjourned upon. These reporters are called district reporter. So again, these reporters who collect the news, local news, who collect reporters who collect the news, local news, we can call district reporter. Each reporter has an area assigned uh, to him, which may include one of the more large towns with the addition of similar towns and larger villages. In some case, our district offices established in prominent towns to enable the reporters to cover the ground with the senior reporter in charge. The senior man also acts as a manager of the office, who keeps the accounts it and is responsible for the advertisement and other revenue which is received. The civic reporter have considerable responsibility as an important link in the chain of news collection of interest to the newspaper. The senior as well as junior reporters keep their respective and diary and engagement of and see that nothing is missed, which give may the lead to the other newspapers. If the locality or town is large and populous one, the reporter may find himself with a full of diary of routine engagement every day. The civic reporter needs to be effective, active man who have the opportunity to making a wide circle of friends. Their develop influence in the local administration can dig their news ahead of other contemporary representing with other newspapers. One important qualification of local or civic reporter is knowledgeable and knowledge of law, so that he does not commit any errors leading to libel. He must be above board and not have extreme likes and dislikes of individuals. Businessmen and influential personalities are in the area. The telephone is very important means of receiving and collection information about any event taking place in the area. A civic reporter has his link the police officers and corporation administration who informed him of anything important taking place around. However, it is advisable to simply depend on the one or the other individual sources for making the story, because you have to maintain your link with the policeman and corporation administration too, because they will inform you about the news, what happens in your area. Immediately on receiving that the hint of the important event, the civic reporter is supposed to either rush himself and send his juniors, depending on the importance of the news, to cover it. If necessary, a reporter may also be taken along. Although many newspapers prefer juniors reporter to know as the how to handle the camera, so he will take with his junior reporters to take the camera with the camera and have working knowledge of photography. In the case of important news, even movie cameras are sometimes mentioned by newspapers to obtain TV films or supply to the TV organization for specific charges. Next is political reporting. This reporting is most important for every reporters. Political reporters is a democracy have one central mission: to provide citizens with the information they need to make an informed choice between the candidates for elective office. To do that, journalists need to examine the candidates background and qualification, their position on the key issue, and what the candidates are saying in campaign appearances and advertising. Reporters who cover politics look at the candidates and supporters too, since their interests can often shed light on the what politician will do if elected. A political reporter should be have intelligent, incent, intelligent and perception of good realities, good judgment of people, and a strong historic sense. Since politics is the main focus of newspapers, too many new entrants would like to be political reporters, hoping that it would be a leader to the coveted office to the editor. But the fact remaining that there's a dearth of good political reporting in India, who have the skill to report inside, to do a reporting that captured in flash of blood of the players to political field. A skilled political reporter is able to expose the naked ambitions of political leaders and the hypocrisy of hypocrisy of political parties. Political Politics is the game of power, a game of supremacy, and ironically, this game is played in the name of the people who evoking name of the people for evoking national greatness. The majority of politicians in the India have acquired office because they were misfits everywhere else, are driven by the desire to make up for their past and failures and frustration. Thus, the sad thing about the Indian democracy is that is the most politicians who guide the destiny of 900 million people, therefore barefoot of ideas, intelligence, and characters. They exploit caste, religion, and language to stay in power. The country slipped from Christ to Christ. Chris, crisis to crisis, not Christ, crisis to crisis. Therefore, it is the duty of the political reporter to never glorify a minister or a political, but never glorify a minister, but truthfully present their achievements and failures. Programs of political parties should be critically evaluated and the flaws commented upon, so that the people are not carried away by the patriotic portion. The performance of government needs a constant review to the herein is wisdom to here's the wisdom of maturity of the political reporter set on the national uh, spectacle. Okay. A lot of things are happening behind the scenes in politics, diplomacy, lobbying, image building, and hatching are only few of them. Nothing much is visible to outside world, but the tip of is iceberg. The real challenge of political reporting is in unmasking these happenings in the political world. Connection and inside sources are the strength of political reporters. Party conferences, campaigns, rallies, and press conference are normal reporting events, but the ad news values to these reporters should have inside information are exclusive stories. The best selling newspapers in any country are those with the strong political bureau satisfying the political curiosity of the readers. Political coverage, usually judged by the quality of reporting, bring down the bring down the circulation of newspaper. The honest and well-meaning politician deserve the support of the reporter. The people support. One of the basic duties of political reporting is to bring a national focus, such deserving leaders, and warn the nation against criminals in the governments, political government. The political reporter must have a sound knowledge of history and the ability to see change the event before it happened, and the wisdom to translate the thoughts into a memorable words. So today we also learned what is political news. We are continue today we will, Today we have learned types of reporting. We have learned court reporting, political reporting, crime reporting, health reporting. So in the next video we will learn culture reporting. So let's end this political reporting topic and continue with new topic. Continue in the next video. New topic is culture reporting. Thank you.